Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be installing some new fog lights from CarDeluxe. He makes custom printed parts for SRT 4s, calibers, and much more other vehicles. High quality products. So like I said, I'm going to be installing these fog lights. This is his logo right here, CarDeluxe. Make sure to go check him out. I have his information on the description below. Instagram, YouTube, all that good jazz. This is the light itself here. 3D printed. You can tell, got his logo there. This piece here is 3D printed. This piece here, the ring, is 3D printed. Pretty cool. And also the factory plug that goes on the car, 3D printed as well. High quality. I already have one installed. Right here, I'm actually going to be taking off the bumper on the car because you cannot get access to this fog light without having to take off the bumper. We got the windshield washer reservoir right behind here. It's a tight fit, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this bumper. I will not be showing how to remove this bumper because there's already too many videos on how to do that. So let's get it off. Right guys, quick update. So I won't be removing the bumper because I got full access to it right here. And on this side, this is what I'm talking about. The reservoir was here, so you can't get it from underneath. But I can fit my wrench in there and there, so I can pull this out. Because this one's busted, that's why I'm upgrading to these LEDs, super bright. But that's gonna be it for that. You just gotta remove the headlights. You got one bolt here, one here, and then you wiggle it out. Boom. Fast and easy. Just go ahead and get that removed. I'm gonna remove that one again so that I can adjust it better and so it can look perfect. Pretty much you don't even have to do any drilling modifications whatsoever, because here's the light. The bezel, it just goes over this ring, goes over the ring as so, like this. Let me go ahead and place it down. So it fits perfectly even on here because the ring on the actual light is designed for that. You can see the little curvature there. That's where the bezel for the fog lights sits. But if you can tell, this one isn't flush because the adjustment screws here on the side with the Allen key that CarDeluxe provides, you know, so all you gotta do is adjust it, which is what I need to do to the driver's side, and I'm also gonna do to the passenger side so I can get perfect fitment and install these bad boys. Alright guys, excuse that it's dark, but I got the fog lights connected and the headlights are still disconnected, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the fog lights for you guys so you can see how bright they actually are. So there's side markers, but these are the fog lights. These things are really bright. I'm not sure if they're gonna cause the drivers who are coming ahead of me, you know, they can blind them. I don't think so because they're pointed so low, although they do reach pretty high. But I mean, these things are pretty bright, man, not gonna lie to you. But here it is again, super bright. Turn them on, off, on, off, and on. But yeah, that is the fog lights. That one's adjusted the way I want it to. This one I gotta take it off and readjust it and fix some wiring issues that I found. So the issues that I'm running into is before they had halos on them. So I don't know if you can see down there, but it was spliced into the side marker right there, and I had to cut the wires off and retape it up. I can go fancy and solder it, but I ain't got that kind of time. So you can tell here the red cable's right there connected to the side marker. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the entire piece off that was on the halos, because those things were hideous. This one is broke. That's the only reason why I'm upgrading. If not, I mean, I really didn't care if they were nice or not, or halos. But this red wire right there is spliced into the side markers. So I really don't want to have that ugly wire just hanging there and whatever. So I'm gonna cut it off from the other end on the side marker and adjust this, put it back together, and show you guys the finished product on the bag neon with these CarDeluxe fog lights. Super stoked about them. Alright guys, so I finally finished installing the fog lights, put everything back together. Fitment is really good on both sides, but I want to go ahead and show you guys what I've done to the car from the time that I have recorded the last video of the review when I first got it, right? So got massive solid motor mounts all the way around except the fourth one, which I'll probably be replacing eventually. We're still on the AirTech Stage 2 Plus kit, best bang for your buck. Make sure to go check it out if you're trying to get your car bagged, regardless of whatever car you have. I got some VMS racing wheels, the 5-star or the V-star is what they're called. Front and rear, I went with this setup. Looks really good. Normally, people who run VMS wheels on the neons always go like 15x7 or 8 in the front with some meaty tires, but I want to go for a show car look stance. So we're really low to the ground right now. Definitely love the fitment of how it's sitting right now. Wheel spec 17x8, 35 offset. Tires all the way around are 205 35, I believe. 205 40s actually, all the way around. You can say they're rubber bands, but they're not too bad. Ride quality is still good. Obviously bumps because it's a smaller tire. It's gonna, you know. But besides that, really love this fitment. It looks really good. Hard to tell, but can't complain. But yeah, that's pretty much the new stuff that's done to the car. Nothing major. Gotta do some maintenance on it, but besides that, you know, the usual neon stuff. Well, that's gonna be it for that video, guys. I know it's a little choppy, but it'll be all right. For the most part, I really like the fog lights, good quality, and you know, I can't complain. The price isn't too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and drop CarDeluxe's pages and info on the description below. Make sure to go check it out if you need some 3D printed stuff. Pretty cool products, but peace out.